Hello, hi everyone. So yes, finally Amrita is here. Hello, hi.
Finally on the live, I can see a lot of materials there, and I'm supremely excited to know what is going to happen.
Yeah, actually, there are details that I'm going to incorporate in my design today.
Okay. So first, you will have to let me also know what is going to happen. So I would like to inform whoever has come on the live that whoever is there throughout will know what kind of material she's been using and what all she's going to do. Because we will be asking one question at the end, and whoever answers that question the fastest is going to get the same painting as a gift, as a prize. So you will have to be on the live throughout. You can't just drop out anytime. Oh, you have the apron and all, huh?
Yeah, I'm putting on apron and then I'm wearing half sleeve top and I'll be wearing this hand gloves. So I'm going to shade
Okay.
myself and even going to wear mask so that I will protect
Okay.
myself. I get
That N95 mask and everything.
yeah, so I will protect myself.
Okay,
So
are you going to wear those welder goggles as well?
what?
Will you be wearing those goggles as well, the welder's goggles as well?
No,
Not that much.
no, no.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Shall I?
anybody who has any questions, you can keep asking them, and I will make sure that I ask Purnima that. I hope she will be able to answer while working. But as much as possible, we will try to answer as many questions. And yes,
So,
okay.
so if I missed waving at anybody, I'm sorry. Hi everyone, and thank you for joining this live.
Yes, please. Thank you so much for coming. I am having a baller time. I think it's mostly your people who have come till now.
Okay.
Your big fans. I have not seen my people. Where are my people?
I think we should wait
I hope
for
they're coming soon.
they will come.
Yes. So,
Okay.
can you just tell us what are the materials that you are using right now? What is there in front of us?
Okay. So I will just introduce to you this resin and the pigments that I'll be using. Also, there are a few flakes uh, from Wakendar, and so this is resin Nova that I'll be using today for geode art. There are
Uh-huh.
some from Haxon, Boreali, the bronze pigment, the gold pigment, the pearl powder, then the
Okay.
grey opaque pigment, the black
Okay.
pigment, sorry, and the white opaque pigment. So these are
Okay.
the colors that I'll be using, and these are the flakes
Uh-huh.
that I'll be using. These are going to create some magic that you will see after some time at the end.
Okay. So they are flakes of what? Which material are they?
So these are the flakes which will be easily be taken with resin and they will stick to resin. These are not like plasticky. These must be of paper. So I think this must be of paper.
Okay, okay. It's something that is easily gellable with resin.
Mica.
That looks mostly like glitter, ना?
Yeah.
वो जो बचपन में स्कूल में लगाते थे टीचर्स अपने गालों पे एनुअल डे पे वैसा लग रहा है वो.
राइट तो वैसा है पर ये रेजिन सपोर्टेड है एंड दिस इज विजडम पर्ल फ्रॉम बेकन अगेन एंड टुडे आई विल बी यूजिंग some geode stones. These are crystals. These are
Oh, okay.
and these are the some glass stones.
Oh
Glass
God.
geode. These are
So
actually
many
fire
things.
glass. These are called as fire pit glass.
Fiber coated glass is what you said, right?
Fire pit glass. Fire pit.
Okay. Okay.
So what
Okay.
is and that's it for now. So these are all the materials that I'll be incorporating today in my design. This is going to be geode. I gave my base coat as this is not actually base coat. I have actually protected my surface with first layer of resin which is of ultra clear of Haxons, and
Okay.
this is means this has actually covered some of the pores which are there on the surface of this mango wood. So this
Okay.
wood is a mango wood and the size of this tray is 16 by 12. 16 by 12 inches. And in this, I'll be
16.
pouring resin now. So I'll just wear my hand
So
gloves.
what is the hardening time? Because I remember this from our podcast that you said there's a particular time by which this entire thing is going to harden in your cup. So what is the hardening time for this resin?
So this resin has worked with me about for like 60 minutes, and
Okay, 16.
but they have
Okay.
mentioned 20 to 25 minutes working time. But
Uh-huh.
with me, it takes for longer, like 60 minutes. It's a really big time to work on any design.
Okay, so you have 1 hour. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
I thought it's 16. So I was really worried how you're going to prepare the entire thing within 16 minutes.
No, no, no.
But now I'm really excited to see the process.
This resin's quality is like it is high viscous in nature. It's not
Okay.
in nature. It is high, like it is thick in nature, which is just like honey, and
Uh-huh.
that's why we will not wait for a longer period to make it turn thick. So we will be pouring it right away after mixing the colors.
Okay. 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 So I'm really excited to see how it is going to turn out. Because I have never seen raisin art before this. I'm really excited. I hope the others are too. And if you have any questions, keep asking. I'll make sure that I ask them before them. And nobody's asking though yet.
Question. Amrita will convey all
Yeah.
the.
Yes, I will be conveying it to her while she will be working. So you can ask any questions on the book for sure.
Until now, we
And
have.
I'll also try to ask a few questions because I'm also very curious. I have hardly any idea, so I'm very curious. I'll be asking a lot of questions from my end as well.
So, should I begin?
Yes, let's begin.
Okay, Amrita, you'll have to help me out in telling me like I have to mix this resin and hardener for 4 minutes. So when I start, you should just keep an eye on the clock and tell me when I finish my 4 minutes of mixing.
Okay, done. I will try to do that. Then I'll have to get my watch, or I'll have to look back. There's a clock at the
Our
on
clock
the
is
back wall.
next room. That's why I need that.
Okay, done. So I'll keep an eye out.
Okay, so I will just tie my hair and wear a mask. I'll shade completely and then I will begin. Give me 1 minute.
Okay, done. So by the time she's tying her hair, if you have any questions, you can ask me or her. If you want to know more about unsettling, I can answer questions. If you want to know more about frozen motion, she will be answering the questions. Hi Tanvi, Tanvi has come.
Oh, hi Tanvi. Thank you. Those who have joined forces or
I know they're putting effort to wake up and come.
Great. Thank you guys. Thanks to all the friends from this community and my seniors and my classmates. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much for coming. We feel really supported. Yay!
So I will start pouring my resin first.
Okay. So this is raisin. This is just raisin. Okay.
This resin Nova is by Fencraft. I hope Fenil has joined. The one who.
Okay. And will you be measuring it?
I'll be measuring it in my measuring jar. So for this kind.
Okay, it's a measuring jar.
So for this kind of patch, I'll need like 150 ml of total resin and hardener, and that's why I'll be 100 ml resin and 50 ml hardener.
Okay.
So the viscosity is so much that resin, that a hardener is visible like it is as if it is floating over resin.
Oh, I thought they both get mixed together, but then okay, let's see how it is. Like I'm okay.
Okay.
This is quite
I'm just
interesting.
checking over my space if it is visible to all of you.
It is quite visible. Sometimes you're out of frame, but it's okay. We are understanding your feelings. It's quite limited space to be working on.
So I'm repeating
So
again.
those are all the pigments.
These colors are all of from Haxin and these are from Vekentar, Vrinda. Then yeah, before I pour, I like to clean my jar, and not only jar, whichever cup or means bucket if I'm taking, then I clean it first before pouring resin in it.
so that there are no dust particles at all.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Shah Jahan, we will be saving it so that you can watch it later. But then you will have to listen to the entire podcast, I mean, the episode right now. Otherwise, you will not be able to win the painting at the end because she will be asking a question at the end and it will be based on what she is showing here right now. So, but you can watch it later for sure.
I started pouring resin
Okay.
and it is much thicker. That's why I should pour it slowly, slowly, or else it ends up giving me higher quantity than I need.
Okay. So,
Wearing a
so
mask.
once you start mixing is when I have to keep my eye on the clock, right?
Yeah, when I start mixing.
Okay, done, done. Hello to everybody who is saying hello.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for joining.
Thank you for joining.
So if now I'm wearing mask, so just let me know if you are not able to hear some words, probably.
It's quite clear now. I mean, at least till now, it's quite clear.
Okay.
So whenever it is unclear, I will let you know. I will ask you again what is happening. What is going on.
Now I'm pouring 50
So did you have most of the materials with you, or did you purchase it now?
What?
Did you have most of the materials with you, or did you purchase it?
No, I purchased it. So before
Okay.
we all need to purchase this material. So today I didn't have some cups, so I went in the market and I bought those.
Okay. Someone has a question. What is the ratio for resin and hardener? Anurag has this question.
Wait a minute, Anurag. It depends upon the product or the product that you are using. Like every brand has their own ratios, and not only every brand. Every resin product has their own ratios.
Okay. So I have my eye on the clock. It's right behind me. It's 9:12 and you have 4 minutes. आपके पास सिर्फ 4 मिनट है देवी जी.
Nee, wait. I haven't started mixing.
Okay.
So this resin Nova has a ratio of 1:2. I'm just checking. Once it balances out, sometimes it gives correct measures. That's why we should wait once it settles one above another easily. Yeah, so it is
Okay.
properly.
Shahjahan is asking, do you conduct resin art workshop?
Yes, I do conduct resin art workshop, and it is in coming month in November.
Okay.
8th of November. So, Amrita, I started mixing. Now you
Yes.
can.
Okay. It's 9:14 now, and I have my eye on the clock. It's right behind me.
Okay. Just say stop once it covers 4 minutes.
Okay, you still have टेंशन नहीं. आप मिलाते जाइए, हम लोगों से बात करते जाएंगे. So do you make custom made products as well? If somebody asks you to make something custom made for them, do you do that as well?
Wait a minute, Amrita. I'll just lower my fan speed so that I'll be able to hear you.
Okay.
So whenever you mix, you should mix it from all the sides, scrape off all the sides as it is thick in nature. Sometimes
Okay.
it's on the corners. So this.
Okay.
So yeah, so somebody had a question. I do take custom orders.
Okay, and someone asked, do you make jewelry too? It's A. Kamble who has asked, do you make jewelry as well?
Yes, I do make jewelries. I began my journey with jewelries. So I pour few of my remaining resin. If it is remained, then only I pour those in jewelry molds and then prepare some jewelry out of it.
Wow, that's quite interesting. I thought like it's just tabletops and keychains maximum you can do, but how lasting is the jewelry that you create?
I created ocean pendant.
Wow, and it has a greater shelf life, or is it just?
Yeah, it has a.
Does-
I used Haxon's Ultra Clear for those pendants, and means I coated those with Ultra Clear as well. Ultra Clear provides the long lifetime.
Longer shape.
So it protects
Okay.
from UV rays and turning yellow. Basically, it just keeps the product as it is for lifelong.
Okay. So, Purnima, I also saw one product online where they had added certain elements to it, like, dried rose petals or beads, seaweeds dried. So, how do they do that? Is it possible? Do I have to keep certain things in mind before I do that?
Yes, it is possible, but those must be dried for like 10 days or 20 days. Means those
Okay.
petals should not have moisture content in those, because resin is hydrophobic, and once it catches the moisture from those petals, then it doesn't cure properly. It stays those sticky effect over the top. I've been through this.
Okay. 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 One second. There's one more question. What about polishing and clarity? A. Kamble has asked this.
Okay, Amrita, just tell me the time.
Yes, you have 1 more minute.
Okay, okay, huh. Pardon now the question.
Yes, right. What about polishing and clarity?
What about polishing clarity? So
Yes.
polishing resin, uh, the flood coat resin which you are using, if it is of high quality, then you should leave it as it is on the means after pouring and after curing. But if you want
Mhm.
to do sanding and give some polishing coats, then you should use some sanders and some grade. Those sandpaper has so those grades over those, and we should be
Oh,
sanding
the
our
one.
surfaces and
Okay, okay.
apply the polish. So
To
there are
make it
many types of
smoother.
polish, the matte and
Acha.
glossy.
So you are done with your 4 minutes, okay?
Okay, so this is a little bit cloudy,
Okay.
and now I will distribute this in my cup.
Okay, you're going to distribute it in. Okay, that's interesting. Somebody said, oh, Priyanka said 4 minutes are done, so you already have a timer.
I will just clean my hand first before I pick any product, so that resin won't stick to it.
Is resin like really sticky and does it wash off? If, for example, like one, you should not get it on your hand, but if you get it on your gloves,
Resin is sticky. Means
okay.
start pouring, and once it is cured half the way, then again it is sticky. You should be waiting like for 24 to 48 hours, depending upon the product has what product has mentioned the instructions.
Okay. So how many sessions will it take for me to master something like this?
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Okay, if it is taking 1 minute, then no problem.
We have to finish this painting in some period of time. That's why we should be working fast.
Yeah, no problem. I know I am annoying you with a lot of questions, and that is why I'm trying to
Was
pace the questions as.
No, what was the question?
I asked how many sessions will it take for me to master this art?
Actually, it is not like that. You should be taking one section. Then, if you want, you're welcome to attend my next sections as well. But I expect my participants to explore the things on their own. They surprise
Okay.
sometimes, and then it makes me feel really satisfied. Like I have taught them some basics, and with those, they have not only stuck with ocean or only geode. They have taken their art in some other dimension as well.
Okay. So there were a few questions. I think Shahjahan asked if resin is harmful.
Yeah, resin is harmful. That's why you should be protecting your body from it, like wearing hand gloves, wearing apron, wearing mask.
Yeah, so that is why she's wearing everything and working. She also has an apron, if you can see a little bit of it. And she's making good use of the mask. So if you want to learn resin art, now is the right time. Anyway, we are wearing masks outside. We all have masks at home, so we can make use of it to learn resin art.
Okay.
Okay, so now you have divided it into how many cups?
And into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cup, but I will need more.
Okay.
Like one for white, this one for pure, this one for green. And then this. I'm just checking with the proportions. And today I'll be doing the classic theme, which is black, gray, and white.
Okay. So you're going to use all the shades so that it looks like a section of a jewel.
Hmm.
Somebody's asking what brand of resin are you using?
Pencrafts
The mask.
Nova.
Sorry?
Pencrafts Resin Nova.
Bencraft's Resin Nova. Somebody said the mask used for COVID is not for resin. I know that. I was trying to crack a very sad joke. Unfortunately, it didn't work.
So I will need this much for black. Okay, clear. Then gray. Okay.
So now this painting will require some 48 hours to cure, right?
Yes.
Okay.
But this resin cures like touch dry within 6 hours. So you can touch it after 6 hours even.
Okay. Okay. So the entire layer, it takes a lot more time to cure rather than only the surface. Oh, some people like my joke. I'm so glad. Thank you for laughing. Okay, so what are you doing right now?
I'm distributing resin in all these cups.
Already divided it into 6 cups. Now you're still dividing. Okay.
Yeah.
So you will be adding different pigments in these cups, is it?
Yeah, like after distributing resin, I'll be mixing all these pigments.
Okay. A Kamble says you can use UV light to speed things up. Is it true?
No, I couldn't hear you. Sorry.
We can use UV lights to speed things up in
Yeah,
resin art. Is that true?
but this is
Okay.
also costly. Those lights are also costly.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
एक
So
बार
it is not possible in a budget.
I will just clean my measuring jar before resin cures.
Okay. So why are you cleaning your child? If it cures within it, then it is a problem. Okay. So
Yeah,
that is why you're cleaning.
you will get wrong measurements next pour.
Oh, right. Because there will be a layer of resin already remnant in the jar. So it's very important that you clean stuff.
Correct.
So any newbie here, I am sure that there are no newbies here in this art. Whoever is here is definitely has been doing it for some time now. So what are you using to wipe it? Is it a particular kind of a wipe or any normal cloth will do?
Wet wipe only. I am cleaning with wipe, and after that I will just dry it with normal tissue paper, dry tissue paper.
Okay. So do you have to dry the jars as well, like 24 hours before, so that there is no water molecule at all? Do you do something of that sort?
Yeah, we have to dry it with tissue papers only and not with water.
Okay. 1 second. Also, the remaining resin starts to heat up as it cures, is it? Oh, this is news. Thank you for the information. I'm learning new things about this,
Who was that?
which I definitely would like to know. A Kamble is very active. I don't know whether you know this person.
Who?
A Kamble.
Okay. Never heard, but fine. Okay, so
Unfortunately, only the handles are being shown, right? So they are very amazing handles, which if you start reading, will take a lot of time. So A. Kamle is very proactive and has been asking a lot of questions and answering a lot of questions as well.
okay. So I'll just start mixing my colors in these cups.
Okay.
I'll need
So did you divide equally, or did you have something particularly in mind?
what?
Did you divide the raisin equally in all the cups, or did you have a particular design in mind according to which you have divided?
Mine, and that's why I'll be. That's why I have taken few proportions accordingly in my cups.
Okay, so there are proportions according to your design. Okay. Okay, it's an exothermic reaction, so it heats up. Thank you. Hi to Miraj.
Hi. And hi to, okay, we are at 40. Good hi to everyone.
Yes, we are at 40. There are a lot of people definitely interested in what is happening. What are you planning and what are you doing? So is geode easier than ocean?
Actually, nothing is easier. Nothing is. If you do it within that time and temperature properly, then everything is easier. But no, you should have that knowledge of getting hang of resin first, and then tackling
Okay.
it according to your design. Like now, what design that I have in my mind, I know how much proportion of black I need, how much proportion of white I need, and how much proportion of gray or gold that I need.
And this you learned from experience after doing a few failed experiments, right?
No, sorry, what?
Did you have a certain number of failed experiments before you figured this out?
No, I didn't have any failed experiments, but right now I have some confidence in me, which is why this design.
Okay. Oh, Shahjahan was asking whether raisin is safe for teenagers.
No,
I think it's safe for. No, it's not.
as in means above age 16 it is safe, but not before that.
Oh, I did not know this, huh?
Yeah, it is not safe for pregnant women, for the people who have asthma, for people who have cancer, for people who are allergic to raisin. Not raisin, sorry.
Okay.
Who have this sensitive skin. Like I have sensitive skin. That's why I work
Yeah.
like once or twice. Sorry, once in a week or once in 2 weeks. That's why it takes
Once in 2 weeks.
time in posting.
What are you using to mix the colors?
Mix the colors, like I am using opaque pigments.
Oh no, what is the is that an ice cream stick?
This
Yeah, it is.
ice cream stick.
It's an ice cream. Okay. See, I have such amazing questions because I have absolutely no idea what is happening. Is that an ice cream stick? Can I eat the ice cream? No, that's happening. Thank you. I'm not asking any more such questions.
So I'm just tackling more and taking more proportions.
Okay. Yes, it's a popsicle stick. Yes, I know. Now I do.
Okay. So where is white?
So you're mixing 5 colors in total, if I remember correctly.
Hmm.
Do I stand a chance to win the painting as well?
Hmm?
Do I stand a chance to win the painting if I answer the questions correctly?
No. You're not means you're not qualified today, but next time you're welcome to join and win any prize.
Definitely. Someone asked, what is the white part on the board?
It is a acrylic color that I colored over this first layer of resin. So why? Because few colors give different effect when we have poured it over black. Like if I'm pouring blue, then it gives me greenish tone. That's why to
Oh,
the true colors, I first colored my base.
um, some Shrishti Jaiswal is asking, is it important to mix the pigments thoroughly before adding them to resin?
Yeah, it is important. If you don't mix it thoroughly, then some pigments will leave like particles inside those inside the resin, and it may, when you pour it over the surface, it starts spreading and running over
Okay.
your colors, all over your colors. I'm just
Oh, I have one query. Are lumps created, or does resin get oxygenated when you beat it or mix it?
uh, raising it.
Oxygenated of some kind, and does it change its color or texture in any form when you
Mm,
mix it?
no.
Not
When
really, right?
starts getting thick, that is only what it happens, and it start turning solid. First, the step of turning solid is like it starts to turn jelly, and then it
Okay.
turns solid like a paperweight, but not exactly paperweight because resin doesn't have any much weight.
Okay. I will face my questions now. I understand you're distracted, so I will try to shush for some time, and I'll
Yeah,
just read the comments.
sometime when I start pouring, you can shower the question because I.
Yes, there is one more question. Do let me know when you are in a state of mind to answer.
Hmm?
There's one more question that has come up by Bhakti. What is inside the transparent part? Is it golden foil?
Golden foil. Well,
The
yes,
raisin layer that you put. Yes, yes.
yes, it is golden foil.
Okay, it is golden foil. Nice observation, people. Thank you so much for observing things that I haven't. Okay, it will form lumps only if it starts overheating. Thank you. I'm learning so much today. I
Learn.
mean, I think most of your followers have a lot of information already.
Hmm. So generally lumps
And
happen when you have taken extra amount of any pigment.
Mhm.
So if I'm having really like 5 ml of resin and I have taken so much amount of pigment in it, then it starts to forming lumps inside it. Just how Fevicol looks after it is half dried.
Okay. Okay, so she's mixing, and till that time, we are not allowed to disturb her. Or after the live, she's just going to call me and say, "Kitti prashna vicharle mala." Literal translation is, how many questions are you asking me while I'm doing the work? So I don't want to get into that soup. So I think we are just going to be quiet for a while and just watch her do things.
I will just use this one. So kudos to Vrinda. She has these test tubes for her pigments, and I just love this product.
Oh, it's quite interesting, huh? I
Hmm.
thought it comes on that. You have transferred it, is it?
What I have?
Have you transferred it into the test tubes?
No, I haven't. She transferred it into a test tube. Like it's her product completely. She delivered.
Acha, it's okay. She packages it like that.
Yeah. So
Okay.
this is really pretty color.
Yes, it is. Definitely, it is. Yes, they do, Pearl Berry art. Those test tubes do look magical.
Okay, so I'm starting. If
Okay,
and
she's starting. Now, if you have any questions, you can shoot. She's done with the mixing part. Okay. which is that first color that you're mixing? Is it just base?
It is just a plain color.
Okay.
Plain color I
Are
mean
you using
word क्या है plain color? ये clear resin है.
Creative Wood Art is asking, is it compulsory to coat the tray with resin if it is already sealed with wood sealer?
Depends. So now I have primed it and I have poured up, means first I have primed it properly and then I have poured this resin over it so that whatever the pores are there in the wood, mm, those will be
They
filled.
get filled. Yeah.
Just what I just.
And whatever color she puts, that doesn't get absorbed into the pores. Oh my God! Now I know a little about resin art. So if it gets absorbed into the pores, the colors change, and hence the painting that is shown on the live looks completely different when it's dried.
Yeah, when resin enters into those pores, then dimple starts forming.
Oh, thanks, Even I have one. Does that mean I'm made out of resin?
What? No. Okay. So ये हो गया है.
So now that's a transparent layer, right?
So I'm just going to sprinkle this.
So somebody wants to know what is there in the test tubes. Okay, so there are flakes in the test tubes. And which brand is it? Who is your friend? Can you name her again so that others know?
So these are Vekentar's products which I am using. The flakes are moonstone. Moon surface. This one is moon surface. This is stardust, and
Okay.
this is wisdom pearl that I am using. So I'll be just using this flakes at the end of the session.
Okay, done. So I'll ask her to add the links also in the description so that if you want to go and buy certain products, you can go and check the page out as well. So
Okay.
it will be easier for you. Okay, now what are you doing? Oh, you're pouring it. It's just being poured. So now do the colors just get in between the particles?
The color starts entering into the crystals and it starts a little bit coming out and then spreading on its own.
Okay. So it just gets absorbed. Does it get absorbed in the crystals, or it's just in between the crystals? And then the light is the one that is creating the effect.
No, it doesn't get absorbed. It just stays with the crystal.
Okay. Oh, Mirage by Meeta is saying that your camera angle is a little odd because your hair is visible while pouring. That's the only.
Okay.
So while pouring, you might have to
Take different
be a
angles.
little erect. Yes, unfortunately, I'm so sorry.
Thanks, Meeta.
Thank you for observing that.
So if oh my god.
What happened?
नहीं यार गलती से अगर पसीना भी इसमें गिर गया ना तो प्रॉब्लम होता है.
Hey, Bhuvan. और आपने तो वैसे भी पीपीई किट ही पहन लिया है ऑलमोस्ट पीपीई किट ही पहन लिया है तो पसीना तो आ ही रहा होगा आई एम डैम श्योर प्लस यू हैव टर्न डाउन द फैन बिकॉज यू वांट अस टू बी able to hear what you are saying, so I can completely understand what you are going through.
Okay, so I'm pouring wine.
She's pouring white. Please look above her hair, it is there. So this layer has no crystals at all. That is just one layer of crystals, and this is just white.
Yes.
Okay.
So I'm just spreading it. Why? Because if it is in like if the layer is thick, then it start pushing other colors. So you should be pouring like
Okay.
one thick layer only at start.
So does it stay, or does it stay within the framework and doesn't mix with the other layers that you're creating?
Does it stay within?
So now you've made two partitions, right? One is a crystal partition and the other one is just a transparent partition, white partition that you've done. So they remain in the same way, or do they get mixed with each other?
No, until I use the heat gun or I manually mix those colors, then they will start mixing.
Nothing is.
If I don't want them to mix within each other, then I will not use heat gun. And basically, when I do geodes, I don't like to use heat gun.
Okay. So what are you going to use then to mix the colors?
I'm not going to mix it at all because I like these layers means natural or poured on as if they're there beside.
You just want three different sections to be visible of different colors. Okay, there's a time lag now.
Okay. See, this lines should be visible, or this difference between these two colors should be visible. That's what I feel.
Okay. So that is why you're not going to use a heat gun at all. It is just going to be 3, 4. I think there might be a scope for 4 different layers. 5 actually, because you've mixed 5 colors. So I'm assuming there are 5 colors coming.
Slowly, if I feel that there is one more color should be added, then I will add because I have kept one more extra cup full of clear resin. So in which I will be mixing other color if I need.
Okay. So what are the bases that you can work on using a geode painting?
Glass, then canvas. नहीं, not canvas. Canvas sag हो जाता है center पे, and wood MDF. So whenever you are using any of these bases, you should prime those, except glass.
Okay. Some creative wood art is asking, where did you buy the wooden frame from?
Resin Art Supplies.
I think DMart. Resin Art Supplies. I thought DMart.
Oh, no. But in our Resin Art community, there are many good suppliers we have. And we those.
Okay.
And I always provide my contacts with my participants at the end of the day of workshop.
So you have a lot of contacts by now, since you have been running Fusion Motion for a very long time.
Right. So now I'm just going to make another crystal layer here, which will just differentiate my two layers. And it is like inspiration from geode stone and not just completely imitating it as it is. You should be having that creativity where you are making some abstract out of it or making a design which is means bearable to eyes or
oh, that I'm sure you will be able to do because you already have experience in architecture, and as you said, you know how to understand the proportions and mix colors. Yeah, so that is something you have been doing for a very long time.
Architecture has helped me a lot.
So I think that won't be an issue. It is definitely going to look nice. And now more crystals are coming. I feel like I'm watching, I'm sorry to say, it seems a little like a cooking show also. कि थोड़ा सा crystal मिलाएं, थोड़ा color मिलाएं, फिर pigment को जरा अच्छे से हिलाएं और फिर धीरे धीरे tray पे डाल दें. Okay, just for the sake of asking questions, somebody is asking, okay, PQ Watt is asking, where did you get that crystal from?
Resin Gangster.
Resin Gangster.
And Abhay Gambhir as well. Means I have a few crystals from many these suppliers.
Okay.
So I have some opaque ones. I have some translucent glass pit. Oh, sorry, yeah, parpit glass.
Okay. So there are two types of glasses that you're using, right?
Yeah. Mm,
Okay. I feel like I'm completely distracting you from the process by asking you questions now.
no, it's okay.
Oh,
So,
thank you, Color Dreams. I didn't know it was gangsta and not gangster.
mm, okay. Resin gangster. So from him I have ordered. And another thing that I was doing. ये देखो ऐसे भूल
Uh-huh.
जाते क्या करना था.
Hello to everybody saying hi. Oh, it's not hi for me. I'm so sad. Okay, Sarvat is saying such a pretty thing getting ready to be eaten. Please don't eat this. This is not that kind of a raisin. अभी लोग आपस में ही बात कर रहे हैं कमेंट्स में कि हाय श्रद्धा हाय मीता चल रहा है अमेजिंग they're trying not to distract you so they are just bonding on
Chat.
with life. It's amazing. I'm so glad that you are.
And so I'll keep it as it is. So,
Oh, I like this alliteration. Loving Purnima's pour. That means they're loving the way you're pouring things. So I like it. Hi, Bernice.
hi, Bernice.
Yes, our seniors, sorry, my classmates, your seniors are on the line. Oh, you guys know each other. I didn't know this. I thought you're just here after a long time. You just thought we are doing something interesting and came. Okay, I'm done overacting. Sorry.
नहीं यार
So,
होना करने के लिए.
हाँ बर्निस भी हाई पूर्णिमा बोल रही है.
Hi, hi.
My friends are also there who are very interested in raisin art.
I just want to go and eat this donuts made by Bernice.
Yes, Bernice, we are really interested in coming to Vasai and eating your donuts.
Whoever is in
So,
Vasai, contact Sorting Pan and they will just deliver amazing donuts to your place.
yes, Bernice, please do something about Corona, na, so that we can come to Mumbai and have your donuts. This is what is happening. Oh, I like this shade. Huh? I absolutely love the shade.
Mm. So now that clear resin is getting mixed with this gold a little. This is not gold, this is bronze.
Okay.
The gold is like little bit yellowy. That's why I am not using it. I'm using
I think the bronze looks better because there's a coppery feel, and I like the copper thing. You know, the oxidized kind of a feel. Oh, thank you, Meeta. I know I'm a nautanki. Unfortunately, my parents have also given up. They have accepted me the way I am. Oh my God, you have to make sure everything is so perfect. Purnima, how do you cover large pieces of work? Purnima, how do you cover large pieces after the work?
Okay, I will show you. Just give me 1 minute. After I pour this black layer, remind me of showing that painting. I have some of my paintings to show you all, which are already there on my page. But one painting I have covered it properly with kitchen foil.
Okay.
And whenever you to deliver it to anybody, you should be covering it in tracing paper. नॉट ट्रेसिंग, सॉरी, बटर पेपर, आर्किटेक्चर वाला, बट आर्किटेक्चर वाला ट्रेसिंग पेपर नहीं, कुकिंग वाला बटर पेपर.
ओके, तो मतलब आप इसको ट्रे को कवर कर देते हो
हाँ.
so that it doesn't get damaged, is it?
It doesn't get damaged, and again it stores it from coming in contact with the moisture.
Okay.
Stores and protects it, sorry.
I thought you're going to put another big gas layer on this so that it gets sandwiched between the layer below that you've already poured yesterday and the new layer that you're going to pour on top of it. So I thought it will become a big gas sandwich, which I was mistaken. Oh, so there are a lot of people saying that it is going to look very nice. It is becoming really beautiful. Yes, that was my question exactly. Would you do a final transparent coat?
After this, after I finish this, means after and not 24 hours. The resin ore doesn't need 24 hours of curing. After 6 hours, it stays like it is touch dry. That's why we can easily pour the ultra clear coat. Or resin or Craft also has that resin lust, which you can provide for this flood coat. So where was I? I was to show you all some paintings.
Arya, there are many types of paper. Do not go into that zone. That's like the first zone you can ever go in.
This is how I am painting in this kitchen foil.
Oh my God! What is the 3D thing that you have done?
3D thing.
What is the protruding thing?
This is real life model. You can say called. It is Kelingking Beach, Bali.
Okay.
And so I stored it in a kitchen foil, plastic foil.
Okay.
तो क्या करना था? हाँ, एक मिनट ना, मुझे थोड़ा सा सिर्फ ध्यान देने दो.
Sorry, तू ध्यान दे, मैं बाकी लोगों से बात करती हूँ. Meeta is saying I am too hungry. Yes, I am always hungry. बाहर का खाना नसीब नहीं हुआ 8 महीने से. Don't do that to me. So Arya, there are a lot of papers. Yes. Purnima is in a mood to talk, so let's talk to her. Okay, so what are you doing now?
I'm pouring white.
Yes, easy. Is it easy? Are you a Malayali? Is it eerie by any chance? Please don't do that. It is key.
Is it what?
Why do you have your real names on your handles? What is wrong with you people?
Okay. Yeah, it is becoming a little bit hard to pour on the sides because it has this pink strips on the sides or the cover.
Okay.
If it is not having any sides, or if it was protectionless base, then it was easy to just pour and keep on pouring.
Oh yes. So if, for example, there are no sides, then doesn't the resin pour off the sides, like pour off the edges?
That's why you should be protecting it with a prime coat or any kind of sealant first.
Okay, so you create some kind of edges, fox edges, four edges, so that you can then later remove it. Is it?
Those I did not create those. The person that gave me, he handed a complete good tray to me.
No. I have seen one of your paintings, recent ones, where you had made an ocean, and that tray did not have the edges.
Was it a tray? Okay, I understood.
It was a cutting board, I think.
Was this?
Yes.
Okay.
So doesn't the resin pour off the edges? Is what I'm saying. Yeah. So you have to.
I covered my backside in plastic, not plastic, but sellotape. I will show you one pen I have.
Oh, we would love to see the paintings after this. Like once you're done with this, can you show us a few paintings also? It will be nice to see what all you.
Just give me 1 minute. I'll prepare one color.
Yes, Purnima does rock ocean post Shraddha, and I know, I've seen. बहुत मस्त है. Okay, what are you doing now?
Okay, मैं थोड़ा सा क्लियर रेजिन ले रही हूँ क्योंकि थोड़ा सा पर्ल वाइट है ना, कम पड़ गया.
अच्छा.
इसलिए that's why you should be equipped with everything, like extra resin should be there,
Extra B, just in case it doesn't, yeah.
but not much.
So,
But not much. But if you have extra, then you should be having the silicone molds beside in which you can pour those colors.
Arya, I think she will be doing an ocean pour workshop next month. Is that correct, Purnima?
Yes, yes.
So she's doing it next month. So if you're really interested, you can get in touch with her. And our card by Archita says she's so good with lacing. I don't know what lacing is, but I agree.
I will.
What is my question for you is what is lacing now?
Lacing is actually the group of the cells. Now you will ask me what are the cells. So the cells are formed when we burn.
Because Frozen Motion had frozen for some time. Purnima.
So where was I?
You were telling me that lacing has some kind of cells, and then you said what are cells? You were talking about those.
Okay, means cells are formed because of bursting of bubbles in resin.
Okay.
So you have to burst those bubbles with the help of heat gun. Like heat gun does look like this, and
Sure.
ये थोड़ा हेयर ड्रायर का बाप बोल सकते हैं इसको
हाँ
because
exactly hair dryer ही लग रहा है.
but I'm not going to use it today. ये साइड में ही रहता है मेरे. Okay, so
Thank you, Meeta. I did not know that.
so the group of cells is called as the lace. That effect is called.
Okay. I will have to learn from the basics.
अरे यार ये जब हाँ
हाँ क्या हुआ?
नहीं ये जब फ्रीज हो गया था तब
यार तो अरे यार बोलेगी तो मेरे को टेंशन नहीं आ जाएगा ना यहाँ पे बैठ के मुझे तो कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. I'm feeling that if you say अरे यार there is like a major issue happening there.
Okay, is there a lag?
Yes, there might be a lag, Purnima, for sure.
Okay. So now I'm using this pigment. I'll have to fill this one, but I don't want to use gold here. What do you guys suggest? Should I pour gold here? Not gold, but this is bronze. Should I pour bronze over here, or should I pour some more of pearl white at the edge of this golden foil?
I would go with bronze. I don't know why, but then I would prefer expert opinion.
Okay. So no, Shraddha.
Nobody's responding. Shraddha, come on, tell me what is happening. Which one would you prefer? Hi. It's been 1 hour and I didn't realize that it's already 1 hour.
अरे same here.
मैं तो एकदम चिल में बैठी थी कि अभी 20 मिनट हुए और बहुत टाइम है. So there are people joining and there were messages within 2 minutes कि बंद क्यों कर दिया लाइव. तो नहीं आ गए हम लोग वापस. 1 घंटा हो गया था पता नहीं चला. So that is why we had to. We didn't leave. Instagram asked us to leave. We didn't leave. Instagram asked us to leave. कि हो गया बच्चे 1 घंटे बात कर लिया अब निकल लो.
अब चलो निकलो.
Exactly. Oh, clock behind me is, yes, it's Roman numerals and it looks nice. I know. I like it too. So what you're doing now, is it called lacing?
No, I'm not going to do any lacing today. Probably in my next live. Not today.
Probably in your next workshop, I think.
Yeah, workshop में तो होता ही रहेगा. ये live पे जाना
लेसिंग मतलब वो जो आप इस पे करते हो ना, द waves on the ocean, the waves on the beach, that effect is called lacing, right? If I'm not wrong.
Yeah, the foam that forms. This is called
That
as
foam, yes.
group of cells is formed
Ah,
is lacing.
okay.
Okay, and these are what the tiny circles are called as the cells. So that is what.
Oh,
And
now it makes sense. Thank you, thank you.
okay, so chalo, I'm just doing the final thing over this.
Final touches are happening, and after that, she will be asking the question. So be ready.
So resin is still thick. It is good that it is thick. I can pour.
So has it started turning into jelly?
No, not yet. I told you, na resin
Not.
no like
Yeah, for you
hard.
it works for 60 minutes.
Yeah, for me, it's 60 minutes. To me, I mean.
Yes, Meeta, you are back. I saw. Okay, what is that?
Okay, I'm
What is
just.
the tool that you're using?
This is the knife, the Pentas knife.
Okay, okay.
एक ही मिनट ना मेरे को लैप मोबाइल थोड़ा चार्ज करने दो.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. Don't worry, take your time.
Done. So I think this is done, and some lines that I have to draw.
Frozen again. Yes, she has. Okay.
So thank you for.
Shraddha says, Purnima, you work so cleanly.
हाँ.
Shraddha says, Purnima, you work so cleanly.
मैं उसको क्या बोलूँगी. होता है यार.
Yeah, yeah, I think that is only because she's on the live. That is quite possible.
No, actually I work clean. ये when I'm working on floor, that time definitely mess happens.
Yeah, for sure. Of course, matlab, there's a difference between being on the live and then being at home in your own comfort zone. पता है बाद में सफाई हो जाएगी.
It's good that you're just continuously speaking so that I know लाइफ अभी तक चल रहा है, मेरे फोन को कुछ हुआ नहीं है.
हाँ हाँ, वो मैं कंटिन्यूअसली भी थोड़ा बात करना कम कर रही हूँ क्योंकि ऐसा आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड हाउ यू आर ट्राइंग टू जगल between concentrating on the painting and answering questions. So I'm just randomly talking to people बीच बीच में so that I don't distract you as much. Oh, Amrapali, she has answered this question on the podcast.
What?
नहीं सुना ना अभी तक? जाके सुनो.
हाँ यार.
ये लाइव के बाद जाके सुनना. ये क्या है? ये सवाल का जवाब दिया था उसने.
कौन सा?
Amrapali is asking, how did you start Raisin Art?
Oh,
How did you start Raisin Art? इसका जवाब है podcast पे जाके सुनो. Pearl Berry by Art says, it is looking so gorgeous. Can't wait to get a close-up view soon.
thanks. Okay, I think I should pour some more of pearl over here. I'll use another flake. I don't know its name. If Vrinda is here, can you please help Vrinda what the name of this flake is? I think it is uh, Frosty. I think it is Frosty. I'm using this one to just
Okay.
boundary over here. Another shade of
Okay.
white that I'm using.
Let's see. I don't think Vrinda is here though. she has not responded.
नहीं यार, नहीं करती मैं. I'm not going to use frost.
मिक्स हो जाएगा, ज्यादा हो जाएगा क्या?
नहीं, it is little bit darker in tone. I just want something shiny and white. So I'll use this Pole Pigment by Haxens only.
Okay.
So I'll not overdo it now. I will just add some flakes at the end.
Okay. So if you add the flakes from on the top, it just stays on the top, or it just gets absorbed into the raisin?
एक second.
हाँ, बिल्कुल. Hi Kumar, I don't know who that is, but hi. Your followers are going to just, I mean, they must be thinking, who is this female for sure. नहीं, मैं बहुत मस्ती कर रही हूँ तेरे फॉलोअर्स के साथ. वो लोग सोच रहे होंगे कि कौन कहाँ से लेके आई ये लड़की तू.
No, but you are a great personality who introduced us to great personalities again. जिनके साथ इंटरव्यू है.
अरे बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. ऐसा कुछ है नहीं फिलहाल. जब बन जाएगा नाम वाम तब थोड़ा भाव खा लेंगे. फिलहाल तो नो भाव, नथिंग.
No, but now you have interviewed like 50 people, right? If I'm right.
There have been 37 podcasts that have released till now, and of course there are 5 more people who have already been interviewed, and there are at least I think 3 people in the line even now. So, and they are quite exciting people. I've spoken to them. It's quite interesting to talk to such amazing personalities who have been doing see raisin art like this. I had absolutely no idea about raisin art. I would have never been able to. I mean, I would not have searched for it on my own. I saw her do it. That is when I was interested in knowing more about it. And now it does look interesting. I definitely might try it once. I'm not as crazy as you though. So I'd try it once. I will try the ocean pour though. I want to see the lacing and the cells.
Learning lacing is really like a dream. Like वो एक है ना कि वो आना चाहिए इफेक्ट.
नहीं वो आएगा नहीं, वो प्रैक्टिस से आएगा. आप सिखा दो ना, टीचर आप हो. It looks really interesting now, Baba. So how do you know most of the people who are on the live? Have they attended your workshops, or have you all been attending someone else's workshops? How did you all come in touch?
कौन? Okay.
अरे इतने लोग हैं. श्रद्धा दिख रही है मुझे, कांस्टेंट, कुमार और मीता. ये 3 लोग कांस्टेंट है.
कौन?
श्रद्धा, मीता एंड कुमार.
कुमार. Okay. श्रद्धा.
Bernice is asking me why I'm tilting my head. Unfortunately, Bernice, I feel that if I tilt my head and zoom in, I will be able to see it more clearly. वो अपना ऐसा गलत फहमी है, खुश फहमी है मेरी कि मैं फोन के अंदर घुस सकती हूँ और मैं आराम से देख पाऊंगी ये सब. Within
Some time, okay. ये होने का I will just take my phone closer to the screen and to the product, and then you guys will know.
Yes.
थोड़ा सा conscious.
Yes.
I just want.
हाँ, आप चिंतित ना हो. I feel like Amitabh Bachchan
Huh?
posting Kaun Banega Karoor. Devi ji. Who is Mr. Perfect of Waves?
Who is?
Mr. Perfect of Waves. Oh,
Kumar.
is that a card?
Kumar, it's Kumar. Hi Kumar, if you're here.
Yeah, he's here. He's constantly there.
Great. Thank you so much, Kumar. Thank you so much. ये ना थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे सिर्फ I need that perfect shape. That's why I'm struggling here. Let's.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
It is. And now the last part of this thing is this flakes. Okay. So I'll be just
Okay.
sprinkle those. Before that, uh, जितना बचा है उतना मैं डाल के तो रखती हूँ वरना वो वेस्ट ना जाए.
ठीक है, डाल दो. Okay, Kumar की लड़ लग गई है. What is happening in the comments? Oh my god. Yes, Chaitu, we will add the list of products at the end of the live. Definitely Purnima will add it, and also the people who have, I mean, the brands as well, so that you can go get in touch with them or buy it from certain brands. So she will be doing that, don't worry. Thank you, Dhanusha. Did you just cut a popsicle stick in half so that you can finish the edges?
Yes, I did that. So
Dedication मानना पड़ेगा बच्ची का. Okay, Kumar has a big fan following apparently.
Yeah, he has.
ठीक है श्रद्धा, हम मान लेते हैं. I will go see his profile after this.
Yes.
देखते हैं.
He's lacing master of India.
Oh my god, then I will definitely have to see.
Yes, you should.
Because I just learned what is lacing on this live today. तो अभी देखना ही पड़ेगा कि अच्छा है कि नहीं.
Okay, so
Purnima, this resin has a high pot life.
yeah, apparently
What?
with me, like I'm from Pune and in my temperature it stayed for like 60 minutes. It gave me working time of 60 minutes. So that's why I could tackle my design within that period of time. It was easy to tackle.
Oh, nice.
So I'll just remove my hand gloves and sprinkle the flakes.
Okay. Oh God, I am in love with your followers. They're pretty crazy. Yeah, I'm just putting my phone on charge because unfortunately अपना phone थोड़ा charging में low हो गया है.
Okay.
I'm walking with my phone though.
Okay, okay. You do
So
it, then I will sprinkle.
No, I'm there. I'm watching.
Okay. So guys, I'm sprinkling this.
Okay.
I just sprinkled, and this was stardust which I sprinkled, and this is moon surface. This is really pretty.
Yes, it is for sure.
Yes, silvery. I'm just cracking that and putting in between my crystals. Okay, just worried. दूसरे पे ना हो जाए.
And my phone is finally on the ventilator. Which color is this, Purnima? She's used gold and silver. So that is happening. Will this stand? It won't stand.
Okay, I'm just checking that if anything is remaining. And yes, something. I should just.
So you're just using up all the colors, is it?
Hmm?
Are you using up all the colors that you have prepared?
Yes. Not all colors, but I have clear resin remaining, and that's why I'm using it to just make those flakes stay on the surface and not just float
Okay.
and the surface after some time.
Okay. Meeta is asking, are these mica flakes?
Mica
Flakes.
flakes, okay. Yeah, these are mica flakes only.
Okay.
Okay.
And the final finishing effects are in order. कमेंट्री के साथ पेंटिंग पहली बार किया होगा ना पूर्णिमा?
नहीं वर्कशॉप में तो
Arya says the making is so satisfying to watch.
yeah.
I
So
agree.
I can call it finished. I can call it that it's done, and I'm just cleaning my hands first before I touch my phone and take it closer to the painting.
Yes.
Yeah, before that, how could I forget? See, I'm just going to touch my surface so that whatever the bubbles are there, those will burst.
Okay. Hey Bhagwan, that's some industrial level equipment, huh? So the wood doesn't catch fire when you do this?
Yeah, what?
The wooden tray doesn't catch fire when you do this?
No.
It's just temporary. Just this is it.
Yeah.
Okay.
I heard about that in the beginning, but not today. But when I started my resin journey, I was worried that if what if I use it over the wooden surface and it starts burning, but it doesn't happen like anything like that. So I'll just take my phone closer and I'll show you.
Yes, please, so that we can see the final result.
Wait a minute. Camera, back camera.
Oh my God! This is so pretty!
So this is the whole tray.
Wow! Oh my God, this is absolutely brilliant. मतलब ऐसा दूर से इतना clearly नजर नहीं आ रहा था. But this is absolute brilliance, man. This
Okay.
is
Hi
beautiful.
Sagar, you are late for the party.
Yes, Sagar, you are late for the party. 9 बजे शुरू हुआ था. नालायक आदमी.
Just show you the close up. So see, these are the cells.
Oh my God.
Are the cells that formed after your
Oh yes. Once the bubbles burst, that is how it looks.
Yeah. So tomorrow I
Man,
will just
this
line
is
up the golden lines
beautiful.
and some white over the surface. It will just highlight the linear pattern in it. I hope I did a really quite well job because I have used two clusters of these stones in one painting in this small
It
space.
looks really nice. It looks
Okay.
absolutely beautiful. I mean,
So
from
you will
far you can't make out the detailing, but when you just go close,
done.
Sagar is making fun of you. He's saying, redo, redo.
Okay, so just let me clean myself और like थोड़ा सा इरेजिंग इधर उधर लगा. Mm,
हाँ हाँ तू हाथ वाथ पोंछ ले.
okay, so
हाथ धो ले इनफैक्ट.
done. It is done.
ये पूर्णिमा, इट वाज अमेजिंग. बहुत ही ज्यादा मजा आया पूरा देख के. डिटेलिंग काफी अच्छा हुआ है यार.
Thank you. So what do you guys feel? And just there is a quiz from which you have a chance to win this surface, this
Yes,
product.
so who is taking the screenshot? Are you or am I taking the screenshot?
You should take because I'm not able to do any.
Okay, okay, done, done. So you ask the question. I will be taking the screenshot. Whoever answers first gets this raisin art as a giveaway. So all the best. Whoever shows up on my feed first. So that is why I'm just taking a screenshot. So there is no hard feelings at all. And nobody says कि मेरे यहाँ पे पहले दिखा, ऐसा सब रोना धोना नहीं चलेगा. So
Yes.
if you wish, you can start. Purnima, you can
So
start asking the.
I will
Someone
ask
is
a
saying,
question.
please take off your mask. Mask है क्या अभी गले में है?
हाँ, गले
Hey,
में क्या?
let's take a breather ना. Let's take a 5 minute breather first. कि कैसे चल रहा है, सबको डरा देते हैं थोड़ा कि तैयारी कर लो, mentally prepare हो जाओ तुम लोग for the quiz.
Hi, Ami.
Who is Ami? Okay, I saw Ami.
From her, I learned alcoholics, and she's a really good tutor of alcoholics. I'll soon bring it on my page, but it's a tough medium, I can say. उसको भी थोड़ा सा ना handle करना थोड़ा सा difficult है. We have to get those forms.
Is alcoholic sugar? It's a type of raisin.
No, it's not a resin. Those are inks only, and we have to use isopropyl alcohol to spread those colors and everything. Amir will teach those things.
हाँ वो बाद में हम एक बार फोन करेंगे और फिर इसके बारे में अलग हो जाएगा.
I guess we're waiting for that.
I think everyone's waiting for the quiz, so let's just begin. I'm here ready with the screenshot. Both the buttons are ready. You can ask the question, and I'm just. Yeah, you can switch on your fan. Neeta is saying that you must be feeling hot. You can take a breather if you want.
I think fan is on anyway. But anyway, so let's start with the quiz, and whoever answers first on Amrita's screen, she is going to take
My screen.
Then
Yeah.
reveal the name.
But it should be the right answer. I should know whether it's the right answer or not.
Yeah. What is the name of this and this pic? This flick.
Okay, there are no answers yet.
The question: what is the name of this and this flick which I used today? Flicks.
There are no answers yet. There are just people laughing.
Not only
मुझे
one.
नहीं.
I need name for.
Stardust. Stardust.
Okay, I need name for these two flakes. No, not gold flake. दूसरा नहीं पता. Okay, Priya.
मेरा पर क्या है?
Okay, Priyanka. I guess Priyanka got it. I guess
Priyanka. Okay.
she answered for both, like one for A, but I feel like you should answer in one question. No, sorry, answer in
No,
one.
no, but she is still the first.
Hmm.
She's still the first though. But I can't take a single screenshot of those. So I can't take a single screenshot though. But still, she's still the first.
I can see that Priyanka has answered two names. Everybody has answered first correctly, Stardust. But I was waiting for this, and she has answered it first, the moon surface, and then wrote Stardust.
Yeah.
Okay.
So I on my page at least, Priya is the one who has answered first.
It's
Um,
Priyanka.
Priyanka. Okay, I see Priyanka. So I see Priya. Sorry. So, hey, no, she's answered both, right? She's answered both.
Hmm.
So Priyanka wins.
Yeah. So Priyanka wins because she answered it first, and then she answered
Yeah,
the.
she did. At least on my feed, she's the first one who has answered both the questions correctly, both of them. I am still going to take a screenshot again so that um people can see. Yeah, I've taken the screenshot.
This is correct, Shraddha. These are from Vacant Tasks, like really beautifully packed. And I have used this wisdom pearl from her. I have used uh, bronze pearl powder as well, my bronze mica powder and pearl mica powder pearl powder from Haxon. So I guess we can call this off now. This.
Let's call it a day. So thank you so much, Purnima. This was quite interesting. Thank you so much for doing this, agreeing to come on the live, and also planning a giveaway. This was quite interesting to learn so many new things about Raisin Art, which I absolutely did not know. And I'm sure that all the laymen who are planning to do something like this can refer this IGTV video, which will be there on her wall for some time now. So you can
Yeah,
go check it out, and all the questions will be answered
I have
because
posted
they are quite interesting.
I have posted the first live as well, which stopped apparently when I finished this layer, and I'll be saving this one too. Okay, so you will have that. Uh, you will,
Yes, for sure. So you can watch both of the lives, and you'll have all the questions answered.
yes,
Thank you so much for coming on the live. Thank you so much for taking time out of your life and staying here online for 1.5 hours almost.
yes.
We had a lot of fun talking to you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, everyone,
Bye.
and bye.
And she's already left. I mean. Oh no.